Welcome to Daily English Lab. In today's lesson, we'll listen to a simple English conversation between two people, Mark and Sophie, waiting for a bus. You'll hear everyday phrases about transportation, time, and small talk. Listen carefully, repeat after them, and practice your English naturally.
Excuse me, do you know if the number 25 bus has already passed?
I don't think so. I've been waiting for about 10 minutes, and I haven't seen it yet.
Oh, good. I thought I might have missed it.
No, I think it's just running late. The traffic looks pretty bad today.
Yeah, it always is on Monday mornings.
Are you heading to work?
Yeah, I work downtown. How about you?
Same here. I work in an office near Central Park.
Oh, really? I'm in the same area. What do you do?
I'm a receptionist at a travel agency.
That sounds interesting. You must meet lots of people.
I do. It's fun, but mornings like this can be stressful when the bus is late.
Tell me about it. I hate being late for meetings.
At least the weather's nice today.
Yeah, not too hot, not too cold. Just right.
I like mornings like this. A little cloudy, but calm.
Same here. Last week was terrible. It rained every single day.
Oh, I know. I got caught in the rain twice. My umbrella broke on Wednesday.
That's unlucky. Maybe today will be a better week.
I hope so.
Let me check the bus app. Oh, it says the bus will arrive in about 6 minutes.
Finally. That's not too bad.
Yeah. Do you take this bus every day?
Usually, yes. Sometimes I take the train if I'm in a hurry.
The train's faster, but always crowded in the mornings.
True. I like the bus. It's slower, but I can sit and listen to music.
Or have small talk with strangers like today.
Exactly.
So, what kind of music do you listen to on the bus?
Mostly pop and acoustic. Sometimes podcasts. What about you?
I like jazz and old rock. It helps me relax before work.
That's cool. Do you play any instruments?
A little guitar. I'm not very good, but it's fun.
I've always wanted to learn guitar. Maybe one day.
You should. It's never too late to start.
What time do you usually start work?
Around 9, but I like to arrive early, grab some coffee, and prepare for the day.
That's smart. I usually rush in right on time.
Same here sometimes. It depends on the bus.
Yeah, public transport really controls our schedule.
That's true, but at least we're not stuck driving in traffic.
Exactly. That's one reason I never want to drive in the city.
Oh, look, there it is. Finally.
Thank goodness. I was starting to think we'd be here forever.
Yeah, it took its sweet time.
Well, it was nice talking to you, Mark.
You too, Sophie. Maybe I'll see you on this bus again.
Probably. Have a great day.
You too.
Great job listening! You've just practiced a natural English conversation between two strangers waiting for a bus. Try listening again and repeat the lines to practice pronunciation and intonation. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to Daily English Lab. And if you didn't, it's okay. Dislike and tell us what we can improve next time. Thanks for watching, and see you again on Daily English Lab, your daily space to learn English naturally.